All right, here we get half of the Jigsaw Scene.
This is called What About Christmas? Sitting here in the middle of May, alone. Sitting here 'cause I wanted to stay alone. Be who I want to be. See who I want to see. I only want to be alone. Killing time, it's another long day alone. Filling time, 'cause I wanted to stay alone. Where I want to go. Who I want to know. I only want to stay alone. What about Christmas? What about promises? What about you and me? What about the way you look at you and no one sees? Sitting here in the middle of May, alone, alone, alone. What about Christmas? What about promises? What about you and me? What about the way you look at you and no one sees? What about Christmas? What about promises? What about you and me? What about Christmas? What about promises? What about you and me? What about the way you're gonna look at you and no one sees? Sitting here in the middle of May, alone, alone, alone.
Wow, so that's, I mean, that was amazing. But like, what's your favorite Christmas movie?
Not really into Christmas movies.
Well, too bad. What about the promises, man? I want to know, like, do you like Rudolph or do you like...
It's a Wonderful Life.
Okay.
Makes me cry every time.
Really?
Way to go, Clarence! When he gets his wings, I tear up every time.
Aw, you don't have any?
No, I used to,
Miracle at 34th,
No.
Rudolph?
actually they depress me when every time we rolls around those movies start playing. I just want that's it.
A Christmas Story.
Okay, so other ones, come back.
Come on, other ones.
Jigsaw's the other pieces of your puzzle. We like to share skeletons in your closet.
We're done.
With
We're not going to play another song.
well, we'll see.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Do you have a skeleton in each of your closet? You start.
You know, everybody's got one, but I'm hiding mine.
Well, can you tell one that you can tell? Like, it doesn't have to be so, so bad. It can be like when you were a little kid.
Remember that thing? Remember that thing? No, that other thing. Remember?
No, it was me and him.
No.
You and him and
No, it's three. That one thing that we didn't talk about. Remember that?
Say it.
I don't know if I can.
I'm not.
Oh man, it's gonna cost you a lot.
Well, it is National Vichyssoise Day.
Why? What's up with that?
Did you make
I
that
don't
up?
make that up. Trust me, I would never have picked that one.
It sounds like something you would make up.
Well, it
It does.
definitely is not. You can grab that other mic too.
It seems odd to have a national day for a soup that's not popular in this country.
You can't even freaking find it. You have
Right.
no idea how difficult it was. Nobody even heard of it except one lady was like, "Oh, it's a French soup." I'm like, "Thank you for not making me look so crazy." Going store to store, asking like, "Do you have anything that says Vichyssoise on
They had
it?"
the scare many years ago. Remember that?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. Yeah.
Before?
Do you remember the hotel in Philadelphia that it came out of?
The name of it? Oh boy.
How do you not remember?
It
that?
never came.
I know. I bet it'll come to me after I leave.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I know where the hotel is.
Yeah. I can't remember the name though.
All right. So where do you guys play next?
Tonight.
Right
In
here.
Brooklyn.
Where?
The Rock Shop.
Oh, that's a great venue on 4th Avenue, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna have a blast. And where do you play after tonight?
Tomorrow night.
Somewhere.
Bar East tomorrow night, 90th Street and First Avenue.
Okay.
Upper East Side.
Wow. And where do you play after that? So you're in New York. You're doing like the New York tour right now.
That's right. But on the week after Thanksgiving, we're on the West Coast in Silver Lake Lounge on
December 1st.
That's LA. I know that.
Hotel Utah, San Francisco, December 2nd.
and 11 in San Diego on December 3rd.
Wow. The Belvedere. The Belvedere. It's the Bellevue Plaza. The Bellevue something, right? Oh, they thought of it. The Bellevue. That's it.
Sorry.
It rang your bell. There you go. Good job. She Googled it. So, we didn't really hear skeletons from your closets.
I'll tell you one. I got a good one.
Ah, there
I
you
got
go.
many.
I got
He
a
chews
good
gum.
one.
He
I got a
sings
good
with
one.
the gum in
And
his mouth.
Both of my grandparents are dead, so now I can tell this story.
Which one did you kill?
I stole money from them so I could buy my first drum set because they weren't very generous with their money, and they had a lot of it. And I found it in their closet in a fireproof bag.
Wow! And they
Loads
never
of
knew.
cash. Loads of cash.
They never missed it.
Well, we got caught. It turned out to be all the boys in the family.
You all. How many boys in your family?
There's 2 others. I don't have to say their names.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. We don't even want to know
Frank
their
and
names.
Jesse?
We were the youngers, not the
Wow!
not the Jameses.
And you bought your drum kit.
Bought my drum set. Yeah, first set was a Ludwig kit.
Of course.
But I couldn't tell anybody about it because where would a
So
kid?
where'd you hide it?
At a friend's house down in his basement. There you go.
That's a good one. Here.
Thank you.
Wait,
There
we're gonna give you some fishy swats now.
I don't.
Yeah.
Now I wish I hadn't.
Oh, it's good. It's good. Trust me. It's really good. Take a pretzel.
With what?
With a pretzel.
I was chewing gum.
I know, and you were singing chewing gum. I was watching you.
But that's
You
what
always
John
sing-
Lennon always
Yeah.
did.
I can, yeah.
John
It's
Lennon
kind of
always
fun
did that. Here,
sometimes.
somebody can
So,
grab that.
all right, try my vichyssoise.
There's Kool-Aid in it.
Well, it's Jim Jones Day. It's pretty good, right? Well, there you go. Anyone else brave enough to share a skeleton?
I have a plastic allergy. I can't, yeah, I have a lot of them.
Okay.
I'm ready to talk.
All
I'm
right.
ready to come clean.
Yeah, that's what we like to do on Rew Who.
When I was a child, I begged my family to call me Reynolds.
Reynolds?
My name is Dennis, and for some reason I just thought that would be the greatest first name ever.
Reynolds.
Yeah, so I went by that moniker for about 3 years, and then and I killed my grandmother. Hey!
That grandma got run over by a reindeer with you guys. Here, you sure you don't want to try?
I think my story was better.
All right, so do you guys have a short song? Because I know you travel far. All right, let's hear a real short song, and give it up for the Jigsaw Seen. Yeah.
Sorry, Grandpa and Grandma. I don't sing it.
You do.
Our new album is a winter concept album. That's why all these songs seem to have Christmas or something like that in the title. It's called Winterland.
Don't mess up, Dennis.
And this is called Christmas Behind Me.
And I won't either.
I take the time to tell my tale, but I'd be worried that I fail to adequately make a case for living. Could have stayed in Winterland and not have run for sea and sand. Life half lived would not be worth retrieving. And I put Christmas behind me.
Last shout outs. What's your website?
TheJigsawScene.com.
Thank you so much for visiting. You guys are awesome. I hope we cross paths many times. Yeah.
I'm sure we will.
Goody, goody, goody.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, holiday people.
Goodbye.
We'll be right back with more Brooklyn Edition branded saloon room.